How to embed Google Drive video on Google site. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you embed your Google Drive video on Google sites. So let's get started. On this process, at first open up any browser on your system and in the source field you'll have to search for Google site. Alright, after you find the Google site, click on that. Okay, so from here you'll have to just open your site here. Alright, after you open your site, you'll got such interface. So from your you have to just select the page where you want to add that Google Drive. So from your I will choose this page, and after you choose page, you'll have to click on Drive here. Just add the right hand section. So simply click on Drive here. Alright, after you click on that, you will be able to access your Google Drive. So from your you'll have to just select that video file whom you want to embed or share here. So simply open that video, and after you open that video file, you'll have to just click on that video, and after you click on that, you'll have to click on insert over here. Alright, so from this way you can as usual set the permission from here, like you can allow anyone with the link to access. So from here you can as usual choose for the viewer, commenter or editor. From that way they can access or edit your video. So from here you can as usual go with the option don't share or share, and after you choose one option from here, you'll be able to easily embed or add your Google Drive video on your Google site. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.